Hey everyone, this is Lon from the ECOM zone, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how I go viral with my organic strategy with Instagram. So you can see on the right hand side here, I have two videos that's popping off right now. One of them's got 4.3 million views, the other one's got around 600k views. I have a few other posts, but they're just not as big as these two. And I've only recently implemented this strategy, so by posting consistently every day, I've managed to get 2 viral posts. The strategy that I'm going to share with you guys is completely free, so you don't need to pay anyone to schedule your posts. And you're essentially going to start reposting content that's gone viral previously. There's no need to source your own creatives, so it's super quick to just push out content. There's an unlimited number of videos out there and pictures that you can just copy and repost on your page. We're going to use the Meta Business Suite to schedule your content, and you're going to schedule content 3 times a day. So I like to post at 8 a.m., 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. And these times doesn't really have to be accurate. You can start posting at 9 a.m., 3 p.m., 10 p.m. and test different times if you wanted. So it's completely up to you, but I like to spread it throughout the day. You also want to schedule all your posts 1 month in advance, so you don't need to worry about it as the days go by. And you can literally just spend a few hours a day in a month to schedule all your posts at once, and that's it. And then when the next month comes, you spend another day on it. So with my strategy, it's only going to take you a day out of every month to post content. And this will help you build your socials, build your following, build credibility, because you're growing your page, you're posting consistently, and you don't need to worry about like, oh, where can I find content? Because there's just millions of content out there to repost. And you never know, people might actually buy from your store once you build up that following. You're also going to feel good getting views, likes and followers. Like every time I see my post go viral and get even more views, it feels good and you just want to post even more content. And if you see at the bottom right here, we're actually getting more followers on our page just by reposting content. So this strategy is easy and free to commit to. So there's 3 simple steps that you're going to follow. Number 1, find existing viral content on social platforms, whether that's Instagram, TikTok, or Unsplash. In the next step, you're going to actually download these videos or download these images so that you can repost them. Now, you don't have to use these 2 links, but these are the 2 links that I'll be using in this video. If they get taken down, you can just use another downloader. Step 3, we're going to schedule content on Meta Business Suite. I'm going to go through all these steps in this video, so stick around. So the first thing we're going to do is identify your niche. Now I'm on Instagram currently, and let's just say you're on home decor niche. So what I usually do is just go to search, and I'll search for home if you're in a home decor niche, right? And see what pages are out there. Now this is actually easier to do on mobile because you can actually see more reels, but on here we're seeing more carousel posts, right? And because we're seeing a lot of carousel posts within the home decor niche, we should actually consider posting carousels. But in this video, we're just going to start with reels. So let's just go to this page here, and we need to see if this page is popular. Once you found a page like this where it has 1.4 million followers, loads of posts, it's time to go to the reel section and see how much views and likes each reel is getting. So like this one here is 600, 160, 200, 400, 500. And you want to try to find one with like 1 million. So like, let's just see this one. Okay, so this is actually cool, and oh my god, it reveals a swimming pool. So something as cool as this is like, oh my god, we need to post this. So what I'll do here is just copy this link, go to Instagram video downloader, close this, paste that in, click view. Now that it's got our video here, just click download video, and then that's downloaded. So now I'm going to go back to Instagram and find the next post. And it's as simple as that, guys. This is how I find my content to repost. It doesn't take a genius to do this, and it literally takes a few hours of my day to do this. And I post 90 posts a month. Like, if you want to post more, you can. Like the home decor niche, if you're in that niche, you have so much content to post. It's ridiculous. And like this one here, transformation posts. And I'm pretty sure these guys are just reposting content as well. Like literally everyone just does that. So we're just gonna copy that, go back to this, and then download this video as well. It's so simple and easy. Like you don't need to pay anyone to do this. You can just do it yourself. But of course, if you have the funds, you can source someone on Fiverr to do this for you. And they will do this for you for really cheap. And what you can do is just give them these pages to look at and give them criterias like repost content that's got 1 million views minimum or 500k views, right? And so what you want to do is just keep finding content and downloading them. I don't really watch the content myself. I just check the views. If it's high, I just download it. Otherwise, you're going to spend too long watching content. And right now, that's not what you want to focus your time on. This is just to build up your organic side and hopefully build up your following and create that branded experience, right? Because if people look at your ads and they click onto your Instagram page or Facebook page and there's no post, there's no following, then it kind of feels sus that they're buying from you. So once you decided your niche and you're building your store, it's actually time to start posting on your socials organically. That's the best time to start building your following, just so that when you've run your ads, you got a few followers, you got many posts out, and to kick things off, you can start following random like accounts, your friends and family, ask them to follow you, and hopefully that'll build traction. And there's also this myth that people think like, oh, you might get shadow banned or that your account's new so your post won't go viral, but that's completely wrong. Like I have many subscribers who copy this strategy and they had several videos go viral just by copying this strategy. So like this one here has got 900k. So just quickly download that. And you can do the same with TikTok. So if we head over to TikTok as well, just let me download this first. So head over to TikTok and then just search for home and see what pops up. Home decor, go to videos. And what I like to do is find TikTok videos and then post it on Instagram. And if you wanted, you can actually find content within your theme. So let's just say your home decor store only sells pink products. Then what you want to do is only find videos with pink products or that theme, right? And same with if you want to start a store with just wooden products, then you only want to post content with wooden products or that wooden theme. So this one's got 1.3 million and it's a transformation again. So let's just copy this, go over to TikTok downloader, click download without watermark here, and it's downloaded. Just close that. So we got a few videos downloaded, and what we're going to do now is head over to the Meta Business Suite. Now, if you don't have the Meta Business Suite, it's going to be difficult for you to schedule posts for free, and I advise you to get this. So essentially a suite that Meta's made so you can manage your Facebook page and Instagram page. So to post on Instagram, you do need a Facebook page for your brand. So you do need to create a Facebook page for your brand, and you also need an Instagram page for your brand. Next, once you've set that all up, you just create a reel up here. And then you post to both, add video. So now we need to find the videos that we've downloaded and just post them. So this one here. So the next thing I do is actually mute the video because it's just so annoying listening to the music. Then the caption can just be as simple as check out this transformation. And then you can ask the questions like, what do you think? As simple as that. And because it's a reel, you don't need that many hashtags. So for this hashtag, we just do home. Then you want to see which hashtag has the most posts. So this one has 147 million. And then you just want to choose another one, home decor, interior design. So we got 3 hashtags here and that's fine. And what I like to do is just copy these hashtags and put it on a sticky note so that you can just keep copying and pasting. Then click next, schedule, and you want to just schedule it for the next day or today even if you haven't got any posts going out. And I'll just set the time to 21:00, so that's going out at 9 p.m. today, and then you just click schedule. So once that's scheduled, you're just going to repeat that same process. Create reel, add video, go to the next video. Oh my god, this is so cool. I'll mute that video as well. and then next, schedule for the next day at 8 a.m. schedule, and look how quick this is. Like, what was that, like a minute per upload? Or you need to watch till the end, something like that, right? Just any captions will do. You don't need to put too much thought into it. Schedule next day at 15:00 for 3 p.m. and click schedule. And there we go. We have 3 posts going out. It's as simple as that, guys. And what, it just took like 5 minutes. And over time, you'll actually get a lot quicker at this. Or again, you could just pay someone on Fiverr to do this for you. And so that there, guys, is my go viral organic strategy. It's so simple to execute. It's free, easy. It doesn't take too much time out of your day, and you're building that branded experience. So if you found this video valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more content, and peace.